Hello, my name is Jessica. I'm a fully qualified maths teacher, and today we're going to look at one-step equations using the balancing method. So the balancing method is whenever we balance both sides of the equal sign. If the balancing method is not what your school or college uses, you can go and check out the crossing the bridge method where we change sign in my other video. So the clue is in the name for the balancing. We need to do the same operation to both sides of the equal sign, okay? So it balances. So therefore, same rules apply. So we want x to be two things. We want x to be positive, so two things. It has to be positive and it has to be by itself. So at the minute, x is positive, so it will remain on the left-hand side. But it's not by itself. We have this positive 4 in here. So we want rid of it. So what we do is we subtract 4 from both sides of the equation, okay, to give me x, and then 4 minus 4 disappears, equals 10 minus 4, which is 6. And there's your answer. X is 6. If we had x minus 2 equals 8, again, x has to be two things, positive and by itself. It's already positive, but it's not by itself. So there's a minus 2 here, so we want rid of the minus 2. So therefore, in order to get rid of minus 2, we need to add 2 to both sides of the equation. Minus 2 plus 2 disappears, so x equals 10. Okay, check it. If x is 10, so it's there, 10 minus 2 is 8, so we know we've done it right. Let's look at another one. 3x equals 30, okay? So again, we want x to be by itself and positive. It's already positive, so it will remain on the left-hand side, but it is not by itself. So when the 3 is beside the x, that means multiplied. So what we have to do is we need to divide by 3 in order to eliminate the 3 from the left-hand side. So we need to divide by 3 on that side and divide by 3 on that side. Again, doing the same operation on both sides of the equation is the balancing method. 3 divided by 3 is 1, so it just leaves us with x, and 30 divided by 3 is 10. Let's say we had x over 2 equals 12. So again, we want x to be two things, positive and by itself. This is our left-hand side, this is our right-hand side. So it's already positive, but it's not by itself. So how do we get the 2 on the bottom line eliminated? We need to multiply by 2 on both sides of the equation. So that means 2 times a half is 1, so it leaves us with x, which equals 12 times 2 is 24. And then do a reasonability check. If x is 24 divided by 2 gives us our 12. I'll do a couple more. If we had x plus 10 equals 7, and let's do x minus 4 equals 12. So you can pause the video and try these and then see if you've done them correctly. So it's the balancing method. So I want to eliminate this plus 10 on the left-hand side. So I'm going to subtract by 10 on both sides of the equation. 10 minus 10 disappears, so it leaves me with x, and 7 minus 10 is minus 3. Remember, if you're not good with negative numbers, just think of your little number line. So we've got 7 here, and we want to subtract 10. Well, we know that 7 minus 7 takes us to 0, and then we need to go 3 more for the minus 10, which takes you down to minus 3. Okay, so the thermometer for measuring temperature is a good way to think about negative numbers. Then we're saying for this one, we're going to say, right, we want to eliminate the minus 4 on the left-hand side. So we're going to add 4 to both sides of the equation, leaving me with x equals 12 plus 4 is 16. Okay, so I hope this video helps. And if you have any questions, you can comment below. Thank you so much. Take care.